Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Boxycharm Premium. I am so excited to see what's in here, so let's open this up. Boxycharm Premium is the $35 box from Boxycharm. They have the base box, which is $25, the premium, which is $35, and then every season they do a Luxe box, which is $50. This is supposed to be better than the base box. There's a lot of talk this month about whether it is or not. There are so many variations this month. It is unbelievable. And they go from fantastic boxes to Boxycharm is a box that I would say if the only reason you're signing up is because you see a spoiler like this month when they showed you gorgeous like Natasha Denona blush palettes and that kind of thing, don't sign up for that. I always love my Boxycharm box. Don't get me wrong. I always get my money's worth and I'm always happy with at least a couple of the products that make it so worthwhile for me. That said, the variations are incredible. You cannot see a spoiler and think, ooh, I'm gonna sign up. I'd like that product. I've heard variations in the 50s this time, so there are tons. Enough talking. Let's see which variation I got. So when I open it up, that is what it looks like. I have one of the upside down boxes. If you have one of the boxes where the Hello Charmer is written upside down, there's a way that you can like take a picture of your variation and enter to win, I think $1,000 from Boxycharm. So we'll definitely be doing that. But this is the Boxy Premium and that's what it looks like on the inside. On top, I have my Boxycharm paperwork, which tells us everything we have on the inside. And then I have an ad for a makeup eraser, but I did not see a makeup eraser in there when we opened that. Okay, back to the paperwork. This month is Boxycharm Festival Vibes is the theme this month, and I am variation 35, so we'll see what that means. This will show me all of the products that I'm getting, and Luxify your box. Get up to 9 beauty lifestyle products worth over $275 for only $49.99 every 3 months. This June, get products like Tarte, Kylie Skin, and Swell. And that's what they're showing for possible June variations. But again, just because you like one of these things does not mean you should get the Luxe, because you very well may not get those. I'm just saying. I love my Boxycharm, but you should never get the box based on wanting one product that they've spoiled. Okay, reaching right in, I have an Opulent Beauty bag. Last month I had a bag very much like this and it had straws in it. This month's bag has brushes. So let's see what we have for brushes. We've been getting a lot of brushes lately. I have always said I love brushes. You can't have too many brushes, but we are getting, I got a set of 3 Allure last month, I think. So these look like they are a powder brush. I'm going to leave these in here in case I want to pass them along. A foundation brush, because it's a nice flat top. And what I would use as a highlighter type brush. It's kind of small and looks like it would have a lot of movement to it. And I like that for highlighter or for sweeping under a bake. So we have those 3 brushes. Let's see what the paperwork says. Opulent Beauty Crystal Clear 3-piece brush collection. A full-sized, ultra-soft, cruelty-free crystal clear brush collection to create a flawless canvas for makeup. Effortlessly and flawlessly apply your favorite skincare, foundation, complexion products, highlighters, and powders. And it says it is a $40 value. So, brushes. Okay, next, and I know this box because I just received a box just like this in my Ipsy box. This is the Age Away Replenishing Cream. I think the one that I got in my Ipsy was a cleanser, and this is a replenishing cream, and it says grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado. So I will open this up and show you the packaging, but we won't swatch it because it has grapefruit seed in it, and that falls into my list of things I can't use, which is a very small list of very unusual things. Licorice and grapefruit, they're in everything these days. And that is what that looks like. It is very heavy. I would say this is very full. Vito Age Away Replenishing Cream. It has a $69 value. Made with 11 innovative organic plant actives, this anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while it deeply nourishes mature skin. And again, $69 value. Next, we have a Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I haven't had one of these in a while. We went through a while where we got these in a lot of our boxes, but I haven't had one in a while. The paperwork says, one swipe is all you need for sky-high lashes with this volumizing and lengthening mascara. Precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a flirty and fanned-out effect, while jet black pigment intensely saturates. Smudge-proof, flake-proof, and water-resistant for all-day wear, $26 value. It has been a long time since I have tried this, so I will absolutely have to try it again. Next, we have a Juice Beauty Phyto Pigments Liquid Lip Rouge. Nope. That's just going to say it in French. Rouge à lèvres liquide. Sounds very fancy. And this is in 12 Cameron. That is what the box looks like. Let's see what color I got. Oh, it's very red. It's very pretty, but ooh la la, very red. I'm definitely going to have to try it. I have lips on today though. Juice Beauty Phyto Pigment Liquid Lip. Feels like a soft lip balm to the touch, applies like a slick liquid lipstick, and wears like a lip stain. That all sounds very good. Formulated with the Juice Beauty exclusive blend of an intense concentration of plant-derived pigments from Cape Lilac and Cochinea, cold-pressed oils, and a fruit stem cell serum, $24. Well, let's see what this looks like. We'll swatch just a little bit. Oh wow, it is red, but it does go on very nicely. That is such a true red. I am really liking that. It's got a nice gloss to it. We'll see. I'll leave that and we'll see if it dries down or if it truly stays like a stain or a gloss. But I am loving that color. All right, next, and I believe this was my choice, we have the Becca Luminous Blush, and I got it in Dahlia. They let you pick your selection, but they did not let you pick your color. So I don't know whether they went by profiles or you just got what you got. Let's see. Oh, that's dark. Okay, so I'm guessing they didn't go by our profiles because that is a pretty dark blush. We'll swatch it in just a second and see what we think. But the packaging, this is what that looks like. I have actually never had one of these Becca blushes or highlighters. I don't think I got one of the highlighters. They went around a couple of months back, but I didn't manage to get any. And again, that's my color. Swatch it. You know, I think with a moderate hand, I could make that work. It's very pretty. It goes very nice with that lipstick. At least on camera, it looks nice. Yeah, I think I can make that work. It has a little bit of shine to it, and it's kind of a cross between is it warm or is it cool? I'm kind of excited about that. This says Becca Luminous Blush, a pressed luminous powder that instantly awakens your entire complexion with cheek-popping color. Well, that is true. $34 value. All right. I like that a lot. Okay. I can work with that. And last but not least, and I am pretty happy about this because I didn't have any of the other palettes they had talked about this season, but I got the Smashbox LA Cover Shot Eye Palette. And that is what it looks like from the box. I know that there were other things. I know that you could have gotten a Lunar Beauty, which I think is one of Manny MUA's palettes. I personally didn't have any of the palettes that they had talked about, so I was happy to get any of them. I just really wanted to get a palette. Oh, it's very pretty. I think this is going to be really wearable for me. That is the palette, and look how pretty that is. I really like that. And then when you open it up, of course you could mismatch any of this, but I love that you can use 4 distinctive eye looks. How fun is this? I like that a lot. I think it is a really wearable palette for me. Even the browns tend to look a little cool. And it also comes with a full-sized, always-on gel eyeliner. That is really pretty. Oh my goodness, that is so creamy. So I have the eyeshadow palette and I have a liner. That's kind of fun. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a few of these colors just so we can see what it looks like. Oh, that is so pretty. I am of course drawn immediately to that palette on the left that had all the color in it. These are really pretty. I mean, I'm just putting a little bit on my fingers. But that is fun for color popping. That is fun. And that palette is matte except for this. This is actually a shimmer in this palette. This is a shimmer and this is a shimmer. And the middle two long ones are matte. So that will give me a good base. I love that. This is the next palette of 4. I'm just skipping the light colors because they're never going to show on my skin. So these are really wearable colors. I am liking that. And then the next one is this, this, and this. I'm just gonna swatch all over my arm. And then the last set is really pretty, and it's kind of a taupey color. And then a different kind of bronzy taupe with a shimmer. And then that nice darker color. Okay, there we go. Like, how do I get these to you? So that basically, it's a great swatching job, isn't it, guys? That is the Smashbox palette. What I did not show you was all of the longer light colors because there's no chance those are showing up on my skin. It's the same color. I like it. All right, so that is it for my Boxy Premium. I'm actually pretty happy with it. I knew once I chose this, I didn't see the Natasha blush spoiler before I chose this, so I knew there was zero chance I was getting the Natasha Denona blush because I had chosen a blush, so I never had my hopes up for it. But I am happy with it. I am so glad that I got the Smashbox palette because the Smashbox palette alone makes the box worthwhile for me. I like it a lot. And I really like this red lippy. Oh, and it just stays, I don't know if you can tell, it just stays moist. See, I could smear it everywhere. So it is going to have movement, but I kind of like that because I don't like it when they get super dry and matte. The liner, that's got some good staying powder. I like the Becca blush color. I have a mascara to play with. There's this Levito that I can put in a giveaway. I have these nice brushes. I think it was a good box. Let me know below what you guys think. Do you think it's a good box? Do you think it's a good premium box? Let me know below. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Please take care of yourselves. Bye, guys.